We are Konnichiwa team and this is our product solution for International Design Challenge 2021 preliminary round case. Kotakode is an integrated tech ecosystem aiming to provide everything programmers and marketers will ever need. The rise of Indonesia's tech scene, government's robust support and tech companies entering Indonesia caused major disruptions and now is the perfect time for Kotakode to grow.
Freelancing is a central part of the tech ecosystem. Its flexibility allows companies to outsource programmers to fulfill their digital transformation needs. The freelancing industry shows promising trend, boosted further by the pandemic, which forces most businesses to transform digitally.
Freelancers in Indonesia reached 33.34 million in 2020, and the demand will still increase post-COVID-19. Therefore, we built Kotakode Freelance to help facilitate freelancing activities, offering security, reliability, and convenience.
To use the platform, both freelancers and clients are required to register first and then set up their account to help prevent scam and fraud. When registering, users must choose their role and there will be relevant first-time user experience to better introduce the platform to the new users according to their role.
Next, I'm going to explain about how to apply for a bid. Clients can post project offers with bidding system that all eligible freelancers can apply for. Interested freelancers may submit a proposal composed of milestones, fee, cover letter, and optional document attachments.
After that, the client can then review applicant's proposal and then proceeds to select and interview the candidates. Negotiation is encouraged to be done here using our chat feature to settle every detail of the project before finalizing the contract. After the client chooses a particular candidate, the client or the freelancers can then create the contract and sign them.
Next, I'm going to explain about the ongoing project. After signing the contract, the client must pay the project full fee upfront to Kotakode before starting the project. Active projects can be accessed from the dashboard. Freelancers can update their progress on the respective milestone while clients can review those. Fees for each milestone will be transferred to freelancers after the clients accepted each progress. After the final deliverables is reviewed and accepted by the client, both parties can finish the project and encouraged to write review from the other party.
Freelancers that receive offers from clients outside of Kotakode can still send direct contract in Kotakode. The client can then review the contract and decide whether to accept or decline it inside Kotakode.
Freelancers can check their balance, history of payment received, and disbursement requests. They can also choose their preferred method of disbursement and the receiving account. After these are set up, they can then request for disbursement. They will be notified whether it is successful or not, and their balance will be updated accordingly.